Today we're gonna install Oracle databases. Basically, what I'm trying to accomplish from this video is that a lot of people are there who want to explore and experiment on Oracle database, but they don't want to go through the very long setup process. So this is something for those people who want to quickly set up their Oracle database in the Windows machine using a virtual machine. Uh, so this video is for people who just simply want to go ahead and install Oracle database in with very minimal amount of effort. Okay, so there are a couple of softwares which we need to download to do that. Uh, First, let's open our Chrome. First software which we need is Vagrant. People who don't know about Vagrant is a software which will help you to basically set up VMs very quickly. You will see how exactly it will help you to set up things very quickly for you. So just go to the Google and type Vagrant. Click on the first link, Vagrant by HashiCorp, and then click on download on top right corner here. Then here, based on the processor which you're using, if you're using Intel, then go for i686. And if you're using AMD, then go for this AMD 64. So I have an AMD processor, so I'm downloading this one. I've already downloaded this, so I don't need this. Uh, so once this is downloaded, now we need to download Git for Windows. Just type Git download for Windows. Click here on the first link, and here you can see Git for download for Windows. Then click on here, click here, and download the latest Git version, 64-bit Windows setup. Download it here. Again, this I have already downloaded it here. This is the latest version. I downloaded yesterday. So you can go ahead and download this. Now the next software which we need is obviously the VirtualBox. We're going to use VirtualBox by Oracle. Just type VirtualBox download Google, and the first link should be from virtualbox.org. So the click here downloads uh, Oracle VM VirtualBox. So go to Windows host, or if you're using any other operating system and that host, go to Windows host. Then you can download VirtualBox here. I've already downloaded it. Now let's go ahead and do installations. For Vagrant, I've already installed it my machine. So there's no uh, particular option which you need to select or change. So you can just simply go ahead with default installation for Vagrant, and once your installation is done, you need to reboot your PC. Uh, so I'm going to cancel this installation from my end. So next thing which we need to install is Git Bash, the Git client for Windows. So now I'm going to go ahead and install Git on this. Yes. Next, because I already installed it earlier, it is giving me this. You will not get this one. However, would you like to install it to the folder anyway? Yes. Next. And if you want to use a different editor, then you can go ahead with it, but I'm going to use Vim only. Next. Um, Once this is done, we need to install our VirtualBox. I don't want to launch it. I don't want to use the release notes. Now, I'm going to go ahead and install VirtualBox. Again, you can just simply go ahead with the default installation. There are no particular changes which you need to do. Go ahead and click on yes, yes, and install. I'm expecting already that you people already know how to install softwares using default settings. I don't want to launch it yet. Okay, so now we have installed Git, we have installed VirtualBox, we have installed Vagrant. So now let's see something which is called Oracle Vagrant projects. So to just give a small brief about this, Oracle themselves have created couple of Vagrant projects which will help us set up their software related environments very quickly. So this is the first one. If you go to Google, just type Oracle Vagrant projects. Probably the first link would be a GitHub link where it says Vagrant projects for Oracle products and other examples. When you click on it, you will get this. So for people who are new to Oracle, there are a lot of Oracle application or Oracle services or Oracle databases. So there are different things. Uh, in this Git, you can see there is an Oracle data guard, Oracle DG means Oracle data guard, Oracle database. Then they have Oracle Golden Gate, Oracle Linux, and Oracle Rack. Rack is real application cluster. It is used for like it's a kind of a database where you have high availability, and it's a cluster database, so there will be two VMs running. So let's not deep dive into it, and just giving you an overview on it. There are multiple things for which they have created the project. We are gonna do Oracle database installation, so in this folder. But however, you have to git clone this entire repository. So I'm just gonna click here on code and click on HTTPS and copy this link. I'll go to the folder where I want to keep all this, where I want to clone this Git repo. We'll go to training SVN. Gonna empty this. Now here in this folder, I want to now Git clone my Oracle repo. So here, just right click here, open terminal, and see what you get clone, git clone, and then copy the link from here, paste, hit enter, and basically what it will do is it will take all these files and clone it here in your PC. So here it is, the Vagrant projects. Open this, and then you have all these. So same thing which which you can see here. So now let's go through what exactly we need. The basics things which we need to set up this Oracle database. Now I'll click on here. So are we gonna do 19c installation? So you can go with any other version. The process is same. Just the thing is that you need to download different version binaries from Oracle website. So we're gonna install 19c. So I'm gonna click on here. So here you can see how they have mentioned how to exactly set up this Vagrant project. I mean basically this Vagrant VM. So now first thing we have already done git clone, and then we have changed to this. We have to change to this directory, and we have to keep this binary file, which is a basically dv-home binary file which you can download from uh, Oracle website. Here is a link below, like in the third point there is a link here. So just click on it on this new tab. So you need to have an Oracle account which is completely free. So you can just simply go ahead and sign in to Oracle. Mm. Download the Oracle software. We're gonna go ahead and click on this link. Scroll down. The Oracle Database Enterprise Edition. Or you can do select your download below. Click here, and then we can select Oracle Database 19 for Linux x86 64. That is the one which we're gonna install. You have multiple options with that, but we're gonna go with 19. So now Go and click the download zip file. The zip file. Where I need to put it? I need to put it where I have kept my where we have git cloned our Vagrant projects. Training projects. Oracle, you can go to Oracle database, then 19.3.0. Here in this folder, you need to, it's going to take a couple of minutes. Till then, uh, okay, now our download has finished. So now we are in the location. Now what we have to do is we just have to mention Vagrant up. So when we type this, it will try to build the file. Plugins fail to initialize correctly. This may be due to now the Vagrant directly. Vagrant plugin pair. Try to do this. Sometimes it's good that we get the errors. Fail to automatically repair installed Vagrant plugins. To fix this problem, remove all user installed plugins and we Vagrant by running following command. So let's just follow the instructions. Yes. Now let's do Vagrant up and it should work. Yes. So now it is trying to access the VirtualBox we have installed. That is why we need to install VirtualBox. And if you do not install Git, then you will not be able to do Git clone here, and you will not be able to bring like this already exists. So because first time when we tried, uh, it created a VM. That's why we'll do Vagrant destroy, or we can just simply go ahead to our VirtualBox. All can just remove this. This is an old one which I have kept. Files. This one is file. Then let's now do Vagrant up. Now this installation might take some time. So we'll get back to you when this installation completes. Okay, guys, as you can see now, the database installation is done. You can take these passwords. It has created some. You can make a note of it, or even later on we can change those passwords. Let's go ahead and connect to our virtual machine. To do that, we just need to type Vagrant SSH, and now we are connected to our machine. Name Oracle 19 Vagrant. Now we're going to see whether our Oracle database is running or not. Our ORCL DB CDB is running. This is a multi-tenant database. So let's see if our listener is running. The listener is running. So let's see the status of the listener. Need to switch to our Oracle user because right now we are not an Oracle user, we are Vagrant user. So this user ID, using this user ID, you can log into root, you can log into Oracle user as well. Okay, so now we are Oracle user. So now our environment will be set up already. Then thus you can see here the register is running. So it is on host. It is 1521 port localhost. So now you can connect to this database. To connect with the database, you can search as like name from port. You can also, if you want to check database role as well, it is the stands how we got a database. You can see this is the database is in rewrite mode. Database role is the basic checks like you can check what is the Oracle home directory, your Oracle home directory, check all these binaries there or not. They'll be there. And you can, if you want to make any changes to the listener configuration, you can do it from. So for this video, this should be it because this was only about installing or setting up the Oracle database using Vagrant. This was quite a easy one, and I'm not gonna remove anything, any troubleshooting from this video because troubleshooting is part of what you call installation. Sometimes the things don't go as smoothly as we see in the YouTube videos. So I'm gonna keep the errors which we got during this installation. So I hope you guys liked it. So I'm gonna come up with more videos. We're gonna go more. We're gonna deep dive into more about Oracle databases as well because I basically am a Oracle database admin. So keep visiting, guys. Thank you.